Here are the best ways to make money from home. Hello guys, welcome to our channel, welcome to World of Apps. In this video you will find out everything you need to know on starting making money from home that anyone can try, and the rate of success of these methods are very close to 100%. So if you think this video was useful, you can like it and subscribe to the channel for more content like this one. Turn on the notification bell and you will be notified every time I post a new video. Also, if you have any questions, feel free to comment in the comment section down below. Now let's get started with the first method of making money from home. So the first one, online tutoring and teaching has become a popular way for people to earn money from the comfort of their home. With the rise of technology and the internet, it's now easier than ever to connect with students from all over the world and share your knowledge and expertise. One of the main benefits of online tutoring or teaching is the flexibility it offers. You can set your own schedule and work around other commitments, such as a full-time job or family responsibilities. Additionally, it can be a highly rewarding experience to help others learn and grow, and to see your students achieve their goals. To get started with online tutoring or teaching, you will need to have a good internet connection, a computer or a laptop, and also you will need a webcam. You will need to be proficient in the subject you plan to teach and have the ability to communicate effectively with your students. There are a number of platforms available for connecting with students, such as TutorMe or VIP Kid and Kek Tutors. These platforms typically handle the marketing and payment processing, so you can focus on teaching. You can also start your own tutoring business through your website or social media platforms. Teaching, reaching students directly, creating your own curriculum and materials, and build your own brand. Online tutoring or teaching can be a great way to earn money while doing something you're passionate about. It can also be a flexible, rewarding way to make a difference in the lives of others. Selling products on e-commerce platform. So this is the second method of making money from your home directly. So selling products on e-commerce platforms such as Amazon, Etsy, and eBay has become a popular way for people to earn money from home. With the rise of online shopping, it's now easier than ever to reach a global customer base and sell products online. One of the main benefits of selling products online is the ability to reach a much wider customer base than you would be able to with a brick and mortar store. Additionally, setting up an online store is relatively low cost and easy to do, with many e-commerce platforms offering a wide range of tools and features to help you get started. To get started with selling products online, you will need to identify a niche or market that you're passionate about. This could be anything from handmade crafts to vintage clothing, or even digital products such as ebooks or courses. Once you have identified your niche, you will need to source products to sell. You can create your own products, such as handmade crafts or digital products, or you can purchase wholesale products from a supplier. Next, you will need to set up your online store and start listing your products. Many e-commerce platforms offer a range of tools and features to help you create a professional looking store and to manage your inventory and orders. When it comes to marketing, you can use a variety of techniques to drive traffic to your store, such as social media marketing, content marketing, email marketing, and paid advertising. Selling products online can be a great way to earn money while doing something you're passionate about. It can also be a flexible and low cost way to start a business and reach a global customer base. The third method of making money from home is starting a blog or YouTube channel. In my opinion, this way it's, I think, the best one because anyone can do it. Can be a great way to earn money from home while sharing your passion and expertise with the world. With the rise of the internet and social media, it's now easier than ever to create and grow an audience and to turn that audience into a source of income. One of the main benefits of starting a blog or a YouTube channel is the ability to share your voice and build a community of people who are interested in the same topics as you. Additionally, it can be a highly rewarding experience to create content that helps others and to build a business around your passions. To get started with starting a blog or a YouTube channel, you will need to identify a niche or a topic that you're passionate about. This could be anything from cooking to travel, personal development to parenting, or any other topic that you're knowledgeable about and passionate. Once you've identified your niche, you will need to create content that appeals to your target audience. This could be written content for a blog or video content for a YouTube channel. It's important to create high quality, engaging content that adds value to your audience. Next, you will need to promote your blog or YouTube channel and build an audience. This can be done through a variety of techniques, such as social media marketing, search engine optimization, and network with other bloggers and YouTubers in your niche. Finally, you can monetize your blog or YouTube channel through a variety of ways, such as affiliate marketing, sponsored content, and through creating your own products or services. Starting a blog or a YouTube channel can be a great way to earn money while doing something you're passionate about. It can be also flexible and low cost way to start a business and build a community around your passions. Now, the fourth way of making money from home is online freelance work, such as writing or graphic design has become a popular way for people to earn money from home. With the rise of the internet and technology, now it's easier than ever to connect with clients and find freelance work online. So, first of all, you have to identify your skills and expertise. The first step to finding freelance work online is to identify the skills and expertise you have to offer. This could be writing, graphic designs, web development, or any other skill that you have that can be done remotely. Next is creating a portfolio. A portfolio is a collection of your best work that you can show to potential clients. This could be a website, a PDF document, or a collection of images. It is important to have a professional looking and well-organized portfolio to showcase your work. Um, Find freelance work platforms. There are a number of platforms available for finding freelance work online, such as Upwork, Freelancer, and also Fiverr. These platforms typically connect freelancers with clients who are looking for someone to complete a specific project. Create a profile and bid on projects. Once you found a platform you like, create a profile and start bidding on projects that match your skills and expertise. Be sure to put your best foot forward in your profile and proposals, highlighting your experience and skills. Communicate with clients. Communication is key when it comes to freelance work, so make sure to establish clear expectations and deadlines with your clients and keep them updated on the progress of their project. Invoice and get paid. Once the project is complete, invoice your client and get paid for your work. Most freelance platforms will handle the payment processing for you, so you don't have to worry about collecting payment for your clients. Build a positive reputation. Building a positive reputation is important for any freelancer looking to grow their business. Make sure to deliver high quality work on time and always be professional in your communication and clients. Online freelance work can be a great way to earn money from home while doing something you're passionate about. It can also be a flexible way to work, and it allows you to build a business around your skills and expertise. Now, the fifth method of making money from home is virtual bookkeeping. This is a way for businesses to outsource their bookkeeping needs to a professional who can handle the task remotely. This can be a cost-effective and efficient way for your business to handle their finances, and it allows them to focus on running their business while having a professional handle the bookkeeping. So here is a full guide for getting started with virtual booking. Understand the basics of bookkeeping. Before starting a virtual bookkeeping business, it's important to understand the basics. This includes understanding financial statements, accounting principles, and bookkeeping softwares. Get certified. Consider getting certified as a bookkeeping through a professional organization such as the American Institute of Professional Bookkeepers or the National Association of Certified Public Bookkeepers. Invest in software. Invest in bookkeeping software such as QuickBooks, Xero, or Sage. This software will help you keep track of financial records and generate financial statements. Create a business plan outlining your services, target market, and pricing structure. Build a website. Build a professional website to showcase your services and to make it easy for your potential clients and how they can contact you. The network with other business owners and professionals in your area and let them know about your bookkeeping services. Create a contract outlining your services, pricing, and payment terms for your clients. Stay organized by keeping track of your clients' financial records, invoices, and payments, and also you have to stay up to date with tax laws and regulation. And you can also continuously improve your skills and knowledge by taking courses or attending workshops. Virtual bookkeeping can be a great way to earn money from home while using your skills and expertise to help businesses with their financial needs. It can be a flexible and low-cost way to start a business, and it allows you to build a business around your skills and knowledge. So guys, this is it. I hope this video was helpful for you. I think, in my opinion, these are the best ways to make money from home. If you think that, also you can comment in the comment section down below your thoughts about it, your questions, and I'll make sure to answer to them as quickly as possible and help you out if you have some problems, some questions. You can also subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one, because more content will come up soon, and turn on the notification bell and you will be notified once I will post another video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye.